Buongiorno paesani, che bella giornata oggi, oggi è speciale, perché? Perché è la giornata che nasce mia figlia e diventavo mamma. It's the day that I became a mother 16 years ago. I have my first daughter, Chelsea, and today is her sweet 16th birthday. Today and tomorrow we will be partying and feasting her and celebrating her. I am a very proud mother, very proud of her. I'm so happy. So today I'll be very busy and very, very excited to share this with everybody. I went to get balloons at Ballon et Variété. These guys are fantastic. You guys have to check them out. Their address is 10490 Boulevard Pera. The service is impeccable. The workers there, the staff is amazing. And they follow me on Instagram. So that's a bonus. It was beautiful to meet them. It was a pleasure. They gave me very good service, excellent balloons. They do specialized balloons, personalized balloons, you name it, they do it. Go check them out. Again, here's the card. Ballon et Variété. So that's it for today. Today's word, what's the word? I'm not gonna do a word today. I'm gonna do a motivation. Today's motivation is, please people, remember to love those around you, appreciate the moments, and create memories. Forget about the gossip, forget about the pettiness. Just be happy and enjoy everybody's company. Be close to your family because you don't know when they'll be called to the other side. And so let's love each other, let's appreciate life, and enjoy. And on that note, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.